Alright, 2001 Toyota Camry. We will be replacing the door handle of driver's side. See, it's broken. Alright, so it looks like we're gonna have to remove the screw right here and another screw there and one there. Okay, one there and then right there. Okay, and I think there's one on the side right here. One right here. Yeah, remove this cover, pop this cover out, and then you'll see the other screw. Next, we're gonna pop this switch control up here, just like that. And then disconnect it. Alright, disconnect, push, and pull. There you go. Alright, we're gonna have to remove this speaker right there, just like that. Okay. Now we're ready to remove the panel, maybe. Let's try that. There's two more screws underneath to be removed. Okay. Alright, here's one. And here's the other one. It's ready to pull the panel out. Oh, we gotta remove that. I forgot. Let's pop this out just like that. Okay. Now we are ready to pull this thing out. Just like that. Now we have removed the plastic. Then now we have access to the door handle. Alright, through the hole you'll see a bolt. It's a size 10, right there. We'll be removing that. And also a bolt right there, size 10, so we'll be removing that. Okay. There's that. And one more. Wait, if I can see. Oops. Alright, I have to use the screwdriver to disconnect the that middle piece right there. Alright, now that the bolt is out, I think we're ready to remove this one. Alright, there's another lock right there that I need to remove. Okay, right here, need to remove that. Alright, so just push this plastic lock. Like that. There you go. Alright, now I saw it. Oh, there you go. That's it, right there. Okay. Now we have to remove this one. Again, there's a 10mm right bolt right there. Okay. Alright. So I got this thing out like that. Now we gotta put this one in. Alright, we just need to tighten them up and then we're ready to put this one back. Alright, the handle is the new handle is in. Just need to look at that. Tighten them up, secure it from the back. This side here is hard to get to, so I'm using a flexi, flexi tools right here. Okay, there you go, it's in. You just need to put the lever back in there and then we'll put the cover back. Then we're good to go. And I thank you for watching my video. Alright, let's try it on. Open. Let's lock. Lock. Open. Yes. Thank you. And thank you for watching my video.